After watching this video, you will never get any problem regarding power supply to your Arduino or ESP32 boards from your lithium-ion battery. Right now I also know that you are using your 3.7 volt battery for supplying your 4 volt modules or 5 volt modules, and I know that 3.7 volt cell is more than enough to supply your 4 volt modules, but after 2 or 3 days it would be not safer for that battery, for you and that development board also. So it's better to make these 3 precious things safe and secure, and then you can work on your hobby projects, IoT projects, whatever you want you can do that with. So watch this video till end to find your solution. Okay, so you have this type of batteries and you have to use this type of any types of board. I'm just giving this example. If you have any other IoT project which requires a specific voltage like 5 volt specific or 4 volt specific, then you can compare it with directly that. Let me show you what I am using right now to use my IoT projects and any other types of projects or modules. I am using a MT3608 module which converts your 3.7 volt battery to 10 volt to 12 volt to 5 volt, or even it is converting to 18 voltage maximum. So it is the best module. You can see this, you can get this in India. I can get this below 50 rupees. So if you are any other countries, and you can get this below $1 or $2 maximum. So it is much more cheaper, and you can regulate its power from here. So it is the best module if you want a compact. So as I mentioned that there are much more various ways to get your variable power supply from 3 volt to 5 volt or 3 volt to 3. If you want to downgrade your power supply like 3.7 volt battery to 3.3 volt for your ESP32 C3 types modules, then that thing also possible by using a buck converter type module. The simple, cheaper and best approach is this or this. This is a buck converter module and this is a MT3608 module. So you can use any one of these. Don't use both, you can use any one of this, but as I like for your compactity, or if you want a compactness in your project, then you can use this. This is also better option, but in nowadays all types of modules are coming in more compact way. So this is a compact module of these ones. You can assume this like that. Some modules require a 5 volt plus 3 ampere power supply. For that you can search on Amazon that any ready-made converter modules which supply your 5 volt 3 ampere from like 3.7 volt battery or 3 volt battery also. So these types of modules are also exist on local shops or any types of website. You just have to search whatever modules you want. If you want a simple 5 volt like 5 volt 1 ampere, these types of Arduino boards require only 5 volt and 1 or 2 ampere is max enough. So you can use MT3608 for your 5 volt and 12 volt modules. So that's enough for this simple method to get your 5 volt power supply or 12 volt power supply from these types of modules. So that's it for video, and you can like, share and subscribe to my channel because it's new, it requires support. If you want to see much more videos like about modules, about IoT projects, you can subscribe to Work It YouTube channel.